Hey, Ebox man here, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something truly special, a game-changing strategy that could turn the 2023 recession into a goldmine. I'm not kidding. We're talking about the potential to make over $20 million in the next 3 to 5 years. So, buckle up, because we're diving deep into a carefully crafted plan that could reshape your financial future. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's address a common belief: timing the market. Some say it's a myth, but I'm here to challenge that notion. In fact, I've got a 9-step plan, and today, I'm laying it all out for you. But first, let's debunk the myth that you can't time the market. Stick around, you don't want to miss this. Understanding the market dynamics. To understand our strategy, we need to grasp how the market works. It's not a wild beast. It's a system with reasons behind every move. Enter central planning and the role of the Federal Reserve. Stay with me, it's not as complicated as it sounds. Federal Reserve's playbook. The Federal Reserve, our economic powerhouse, wields monetary policy to control markets. The beauty is, their moves are not only observable, but also quite predictable. We'll delve into the correlation between interest rates and market movements, crucial intel for our plan. Market analysis. Let's analyze the graphs. Historical patterns reveal a correlation between interest rate hikes and market downturns. And yes, we're in a unique situation right now. But the past can guide our future moves. It's all about understanding the signals. Case studies for inspiration. Now, let me share some real-world success stories. From Bill Ackman turning millions into billions, to regular folks timing the crypto market, proof that with the right strategy, timing is everything. Get ready for inspiration and actionable insights. The opportunity unveiled. So, why is this the perfect time? The Federal Reserve's aggressive rate hikes have set the stage for incredible opportunities. Markets are down across the board: crypto, real estate, you name it. But remember, opportunity favors the prepared. Let's unveil the 9-step plan. The 9-step plan revealed. Step 1. The Fed slows down on interest rate hikes. Step 2. They hit the pause button. And Step 3. They start cutting those rates back down. Stay with me. This is where the magic happens. By closely monitoring the Federal Reserve, we're positioning ourselves for success. Timing the market. Decoding the Federal Reserve's timeline. Let's decode the Federal Reserve's timeline. From being hawkish to dovish. Understand this pivotal shift, and you'll see how it aligns with asset prices rising again. Circle December 14, 2022, on your calendar. That's a crucial date in our journey. Predicting market bottoms. Predicting market bottoms isn't an exact science, but history provides valuable insights. We'll explore when the markets might bottom out and what to expect in the coming months. Knowledge is power in this game. Crypto bull run prediction. Now, let's talk crypto. As the markets recover, a crypto bull run could be on the horizon. Reduced supply, increased demand. It's like the stars aligning. I'm not just talking about crypto. We're looking at stocks, real estate, the whole finance industry. This could be a lifetime opportunity. Passion and conviction. I need you to feel the passion and conviction behind this plan. I'm not just throwing numbers around. I'm sharing a strategy that could change lives. We're talking about potential returns that could 4x your investments in the next few years. This is it, the opportunity of a lifetime. Risk management and call to action. Now, I won't ignore the risks. We're not immune to black swan events or unforeseen circumstances. That's why risk management is crucial. Dollar cost averaging, strategic moves. Let's navigate this journey together. In conclusion, this isn't a quick swing trade, it's a multi-year plan. Work hard, stay informed. And who knows where this journey might lead? I'm not just an optimist. I'm someone who believes in the potential of well-informed moves. I'm Ebox man, and I'm all in. Let's make it happen.